Greetings, God beautiful people. It's another lovely day. Today, I want to talk to you about how do you try to make it with broken pieces? What do you do after you lost everything? Your marriage, your finances, your ministry, your friend. How do you adjust with your current situation which you did not plan for? Whatever you planned for had fall apart. Now, what do you do? And how do you make it with those broken pieces holding in your hand? I have one thing to say. Turn to God. He is the answer. He will actually answer all your prayers, and He will supply to all your needs. Yes, your husband left, your wife left, your husband mistreated you, your wife mistreated you, but guess what? God not going anywhere. All friends have leave you. What your finance used to be is not the same anymore. You're a different person now. You don't hang with that crowd anymore. But God loves you. And His love for you not going to change, because the amount of zero that used to be in your bank account is not the same anymore. He will not change His mind, even if your spouse have changed his mind or her mind about you. Yes, you plan to be with that person for the rest of your life, but things change and the person changes their mind, and it's not what it used to be. Now you're being mistreated, you're being calling names. I want you to know, don't let anyone make you love yourself less than you deserve. You are beautiful, you're handsome. God created you perfect. No matter what come your way, He will be there. Your relationship fall apart, it wasn't your fault. Don't blame yourself for it. God have already made plan to give you somebody that's perfect for you, that will see you for the perfect, beautiful, kind, wonderful, amazing, talented person that you are. He will not let you suffer because He loves you too much. God's love for you is plenty. Things don't work out, it's okay. There's a backup plan. God always have a backup plan. When your plan fall apart, so He can pick up. You have been abused by a spouse, a family member, whoever it may be. Stop blaming yourself. What happened was not your fault. You will get over it, and there is happiness again. Look for it. When everything have fall apart, the broken pieces are in your hand, and you need to find a way to find happiness again. You need to find a way to move on. Lost the finance, lost the marriage, lost the ministry, but God remained the same. Because He remained the same, He will make a way for you. Those broken pieces, He's going to put them together and make them into something whole. That something whole will be beautiful, more than you ever see before, more than you can ever imagine. That something whole God planned to put every single pieces together for you. That something whole would be something amazing, and you will look at it, even you will be surprised, because you had no idea God was going to give it to you that great. You can make it with the broken pieces. No matter what come your way right now, it's not going to stay that way. God will help you. All broken pieces will come together and make something beautiful as God made you. Much love from me to you. We will make it, even all the pieces are broke. Everything have fall apart, and we're in a strange situation which we did not plan for. Our God is not a liar. He said He will take care of you, and He loves you to a point, He said, eternally. Meaning, no matter what you done, no matter what you do, He will still love you. God loves you. Keep your head up. Be proud of yourself. Even you lost the job, be proud of yourself. Even you lost your family, be proud of yourself. Even right now, things not stable as it's supposed to be proud of yourself because you're beautiful and you're a great person. Much love from me to you. God's love you. Next time, much love to you. Bisous.